Hey friends, welcome to Phone Tech. Today I'm going to compare ZTE AXON 10 Pro 5G versus Xiaomi Mi 9. Let's start. First of all, RAM and storage. AXON 10 Pro has 6GB RAM with 128GB storage, and other side Xiaomi Mi 9 has 3 options in RAM: 6GB, 8GB and 12GB, and 2 options in storage: 128 and 256GB. Let's talk about the screen. AXON 10 Pro has 6.4-inch Full HD AMOLED display, and other side Mi 9 has 6.9-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. Next we talk about the front camera. Both have a same front camera, 20 megapixel. If we talk about the processor and chipset, both have a same processor and chipset, 2.8 GHz octa-core processor and Snapdragon 855 chipset. Now I'm going to talk about the rear camera. Both have a triple rear camera, but you will get a difference in megapixels. ZTE AXON 10 Pro has 48 megapixel plus 20 megapixel plus 8 megapixel triple rear camera, and other side Mi 9 has 48 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 16 megapixel triple rear camera. Let's talk about some other features. Both have a Android 9.0 Pie and both have a 4G, but Mi 9 has dual 4G and ZTE will get a 5G service. And talk about the GPU. ZTE AXON 10 Pro has Adreno 640 GPU, and other side also will get a Adreno 640 GPU, and both have a fingerprint sensor in display and also will get a dual SIM option in both smartphones. Now we talk about the battery. ZTE AXON 10 Pro has 4000 mAh normal battery with fast battery charging. Also you will get a QA wireless charging. Other side you will get 3300 mAh normal battery with fast battery charging and also fast wireless charging. Now we talk about the price. ZTE AXON 10 Pro expected price 54,000 in India rupees and 715 US dollar, and other side Mi 9 expected price 32,000 in India rupees and 415 US dollar. Thanks guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new update.